Hi everybody, welcome to another video on Weekend Vibes with Shornette. Today I'm frying some dumplings. So guys, check this video out. Thanks for liking the video. Leave a comment guys and subscribe if you haven't yet done so guys. Keep watching. Hi guys, so I'm making some fried dumplings today. So I'm gonna using flour, baking powder and a little cornmeal. And I'm having my fried dumplings with some kidney. This is beef kidney, brown stew kidney. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up guys, so keep watching. These are gonna be the best fried dumplings ever 2.0 guys. Okay guys, so the kidney is cleaned up and washed, so I'm gonna add on some seasoning. Okay guys, I add on the powder seasoning, so I'm gonna let it marinate for a few minutes before cooking, and then while it's cooking I'm gonna add on the fresh seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add in some olive oil.
Hey.
Right, I'm just gonna get some water in this, but I'm not gonna pour the water in yet until it makes its own water guys. So I'm just gonna turn down the stove and cover it until it makes its own water. So I pour it in, and I have a lot of the seasoning left back. I'm gonna in the pan, but I'm gonna rinse this out. So when it makes its own water, I will pour the rinse out can in it guys, so keep watching. I'm gonna cover it for now, and then after a while I'm gonna add in the fresh seasoning, just some onion and scallion. Guys, it makes a lot of water. I'm still gonna pour in this. And just turn up the stove a little. Okay guys, I have the seasoning ready. I have some onion, garlic, scallion, bell pepper, and I'm adding in some carrots. Okay guys, all the seasoning and the carrot are in. I'm just gonna let it simmer down and cook. Okay guys, so this is done. Ooh, look at that. And the gravy, I didn't add anything, it just cooked down nicely. So guys, this kidney is ready. Okay guys, check in. I'm gonna make some dumplings. I don't normally measure the flour, but if you check my other video, I put some measurements in there. And I always add in a little cornmeal in mine, just for texture and flavor. They always come out nicely, guys. So I'm gonna add in some baking powder and salt to taste. Combine all of that, and then with room temperature water. Like, you don't really have to knead the dumpling, the flour, when you're making fried dumpling. You just combine it together. And then you cover, guys, and let it just sit for a while. Alright guys, the flour is ready. The oil is heating up. So I'm gonna make some. I always make like about 10 or so and just put them all in at once. Alright, the guys, the oil is hot, so I'm gonna add in the dumplings. Then I'm gonna cover it and let them steam. Make sure the oven, make sure the burner is turned up. Okay guys, these are golden brown and they're ready to come out, so I'm gonna take them out, guys. And these are nice and crispy on the outside, nice and crispy, soft in the middle. Guys, check this out, guys. Woohoo! Lovely. Okay guys, nice fried dumplings with some brown stew kidney. Lovely breakfast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that, look at that. Okay guys, I'm having my fried dumpling and kidney with some mountain peak coffee. So guys, just taste and get digging guys. Guys, thank you for liking this video guys. Oh, this looks so delicious. Let's check this out guys. Look at those carrots. They taste so good in the gravy. Nice and soft. When you dip that fried dumpling in the gravy, yummy, yum, yum. This tastes so good.
Yum, yum.
A lovely breakfast.
Crunchy, crunchy. What a nice munchy, munchy. Nice and munchy. Nice little munchy.
With the coffee tea. The coffee or tea.
What a nice and munchy. Munchy, munchy.
Okay guys, so thank you for liking the video. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment guys. Remember, it's always a vibe on Weekend Vibes with Shornette. Bye.
Afrobeat, it's Afrobeat, the beats.